if I was in my car, I'd probably like floor it right here and kind of like do a little drift, but it's front wheel drive, so yeah, I got a little drift on it. Damn. It's like, hey, what's going on, guys? I know you guys are probably wondering what am I doing in the Honda, but I blew my charge pipe a couple days ago if you guys watched my last video, so I haven't really been driving my car that much. But yeah, so I'm driving my girlfriend's Civic today, but I'm like, because I haven't uploaded a video in so long, I'm like, what kind of video could I upload? So, you know, I was driving her car today and I'm like, you know what, I'll just make a video of me like driving a Civic, because I'm a 335i owner, so you know, those are pretty quick. So I'm gonna drive her Civic and like get my opinion on it. Like, is it fast? You know, like compared to the BMW, how does it feel? So yeah, pretty much that. You know, so this is a I'm pretty sure it's a 2018 Honda Civic EX. So yeah, POV drive with 2018 EX, and yeah, I'll just, you know, I'll put it in sport because it doesn't have like paddles or nothing, but I'll put it in sport, you know, maybe do some little pulls, you know, give my honest opinion on it, like what I think about it, being a BMW owner. But yeah, so nothing crazy, but I hope you guys like this kind of video though. I hope there's people. Real quick before I start doing all the pulls and all that, I got something today. I got the Logitech G29. So I bet a lot of you guys already know what this is, but I'm going to be using it in some of my videos. It's like pretty much a steering wheel, but it's for like Forza or like Assetto Corsa. That's like pretty much PC games or like PlayStation games. But it's, you know, it's very similar to real life. Like as far as I've seen, it's like super similar to like actually driving a car. It's like spot on. So it's like a steering wheel and you get like the pedals in there. So I have a cool video in mind. I'll probably make a video like, you know, Assetto Corsa versus real life, because I'm gonna buy Assetto Corsa. I'm not sure if I'm gonna buy Forza Horizon, but I might. If you guys want to see Forza, let me know. But I'm gonna buy Assetto Corsa tonight, get it set up, and I'm gonna make a video like, you know, driving a BMW 335i in Assetto Corsa versus in real life. You know, I'll just compare it to see how similar it is. I think it's gonna be like a pretty, I don't know, I just think it's a pretty cool idea. Like people want to see that. But yeah, so I bought that today. I literally just bought it. You know, I'm very excited to set it up though, but I got a PC, so I'm gonna be putting it on my PC with Assetto Corsa. But yeah, real quick now, I'm just gonna do like my POV and do some pulls and all that. I just want this, there's always someone in front of me. Like whenever I'm trying to do a POV, there's always someone like right in front of me just slowing me down. But right now in drive the car feels, you know, it just feels pretty normal. It feels like eco mode in like my BMW, not eco mode, comfort in my BMW. I keep saying eco because the Lexus was eco, but yeah, it feels like comfort in my BMW. Oh, there's a cop, and I wonder if he's gonna pull me over for this big flash on my head. Hopefully not. Yeah, I think I'm good. Good thing that guy was in front of me, because I'd probably do a pull right there. Did he move off? Nah, I'm chilling. But yeah, regular drive just feels like comfort in my BMW. It doesn't feel much slower or anything like that, because comfort is just comfort, you know what I mean? But I'm gonna put it in sport, and oh yeah, damn. As soon as you put it in sport, you can feel the difference. Like it's not crazy fast like a BMW, but you definitely feel the difference in sport. Like it feels like it dropped a gear or something. So let me just, after I pass the speed bump, I'm gonna do a little pull. But yeah, I'm just gonna head down this street, give you guys maybe like a few little pulls, and then I'll just end off the video there, because I'm really excited to go home and set this thing up. But yeah, so right now I'm in sport. I just wish it had paddle shifters though. And let me see if I can give you a little pull. Yeah, so like you guys can see, it's not, obviously it's not gonna be, and it's a CVT transmission, so it's not gonna be like, you're not gonna have that sound when you switch the gears, like boom. You're not, like, you know what sound I'm talking about, the BMW. You're not gonna have that sound with this car, but because it's a CVT transmission, and I don't think it's fast enough to like make that sound when it shifts. And obviously you're not gonna have pops either, but it pulls pretty good. Like it kind of kicks you back a little bit, you know. It doesn't like fling you back in your seat like the BMW would, but it definitely pushes you back a little bit. Because the reason I think this video is so interesting, because I was gonna buy a Civic, like before the Lexus and all of that, I was gonna buy a 10th gen Civic for myself, and you know, I just found the Lexus and I'm like, nah, I'm not gonna get a Civic. So you know, I think there's people who are going to want to see like how quick these cars are compared to other cars like 335i's or Lexus IS350, because the BMW is pretty similar in speed to the IS350 I had. So yeah, like I was saying, I wanted a Civic myself, so I think it's pretty interesting to see like how fast they are compared to those cars, you know. So they're not bad though, like I'm saying, it's not bad. I just want to give you guys a few more pulls here before I end it off, so you guys can actually see like how it pulls, because it's not bad, to be honest. Like I think they come with like, I think it's like 160 horsepower or something like that, somewhere around that, but I'm not sure how much. But it's not, you know, it's not even more than 200, but like it's really not that bad. There's another one right there too. I used to be obsessed with Civic, I swear, because I used to live in Jamaica, and in Jamaica, like a Civic is a nice car there, but like here everyone has a Civic, so I used to be obsessed with them. That's why I wanted one so bad. But now now it's like the basic cars like in Canada. And one thing I don't like, it brakes for me so much, like it literally brakes every single time. But I mean, I'm not complaining, you know, because some people like it, but me personally, I don't like my car braking for me. But yeah, let me just, I'm going up to this the main road right here, and then I can floor it and give you guys like a little proper pull. It pushes you back a little bit, I'm not even gonna lie, it's not bad. If I was in my car, I'd probably like floor it right here and kind of like do a little drift, but it's front wheel drive, so yeah, I got a little drift on it. It's not bad. My voice is kind of fucked because I have a fucking cold. I don't even know where I got a cold from, but yeah, my voice is kind of like off. So if you guys like, I kind of like this road though, so I might turn around and do another pull there so you guys can see it, because it's a pretty long stretch, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna turn around real quick and give you guys another little pull there. Alright, so let me do a dig from the stop sign. Let me try a launch control. Does it even work? Ooh. Damn. It's actually not bad. Damn, that's actually not bad. I even heard some tires on that one. Like it fucking skid my tires. That's not bad. And for like, it's kind of wet though, so maybe that's why. But damn, that's not bad. It's actually faster than I thought, because I've never pushed it before. I usually just casually drive it, but because I'm making this video now, I'm like, let me actually test it out. It's actually not bad. But that's about it for this video, because it's my girlfriend's car, so I don't want to beat on it too much. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, let me know, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching. See ya.